In this video, I'm going to share all the things you need to know about the latest ICT Venom model. We will discuss the Venom model in depth. I will try to cover everything so that you don't need to watch any other video on this model. In the end, I have answered some of the important questions related to the Venom model, so watch the complete video to get everything clear. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump right in. To understand the Venom model, you first need to understand what a BPR is. A BPR is the common area between two opposite fair value gaps. In simple words, we have this bearish fair value gap. When the market turns bullish and reaches this area, if it creates a fair value gap at the same level, then the combined area between both the fair value gaps will be called BPR. Next important aspect of trading this model is knowing when this model will work. So for that, we will use the ICT Killzones as sessions during which we will look for the trades. These are the session timings. Remember, all the times are in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. The London Killzone will be between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. The New York session will be between 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. And the third session will be the Asian session that will start from 7:30 p.m. and will end at midnight. Now, at the start of any session, mark the recent swing high and swing low as liquidity levels. If you have multiple clear liquidity levels on either side, such as in this case, mark all of them. Next, wait for the market to reach those levels. At reaching those levels, we will look for the market behavior. After grabbing the liquidity, if the market forms a BPR, that will be the indication that the price has changed its bias and is ready to go higher. We will enter our trade at the high of the BPR and set our stop loss at the most recent swing low. For take profit levels, we can stick to a fixed 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, or we can target the nearest draw on liquidity. Let's discuss the bearish scenario before going into the examples of the model. At the start of any session, mark the buy and sell side liquidity levels. During the session timings, when the market takes the buy side liquidity, we will look for the market behavior at this level. If the market changes its direction to bearish and forms a BPR, it will confirm that the market is ready to go lower. So we will enter the trade at the low of the BPR level and put our stop loss at the recent swing high. Similar to the bullish scenario, we will target the 1-to-2R or the nearest sell side liquidity. Let's move on to the examples of Venom model. Just a quick thing, guys, before discussing examples. The DTC bot has been performing exceptionally well. If you are new to the channel, let me introduce you to it. The DTC is a trading bot I have developed with the help of ChatGPT. Its performance has been unbelievable. These are some screenshots of different pairs' performances. It performs on lower and higher both time frames with great results. If you are interested in buying this bot, send me a message in the Telegram. The link is in description. Write DTC bot or just a hi and send it. Also, if you are interested in getting signals given by this model, you can contact me for that on Telegram through the same link given in description. Just type signals in the message to get started. Let's discuss the bullish example. At the start of the session, mark the sell and buy side liquidity levels. We can see these are the two clear sell side liquidity levels. Similarly, these are the two buy side levels. We will mark them and wait for the price to reach these levels. We can see, after grabbing the liquidity, price changed its direction and has formed this BPR. We will enter the buy trade at the high of the BPR and set the stop loss at the low of this recent swing low. For take profit, I prefer targeting the opposite side liquidity. So you target this buy side. The price went to our target, giving a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2.5 in this trade. Next, let's discuss the bearish example. Mark the buy side and sell side liquidities. These two are the clear buy side and these two are the clear sell side liquidities. During the session, the price just took the first buy side and changed its direction. After grabbing the liquidity, price formed a BPR here, so it will confirm that the price is ready to go lower. We will enter a sell trade at the low of the BPR and put our stop loss at this high. For target, as this liquidity is already taken, we will target this lower liquidity level. This trade also resulted in profit and gave us an awesome result. Now let's discuss a few important questions. First of all, ICT said look for trade only during the 9:30 to 10:30. It is not compulsory. The first time he mentioned Venom model was in a video that he uploaded on the 19th of February. In that video, he had the trade open at 2:30 p.m. He might share details about this trade at some later point in time, but this example suggests that the time window that he mentioned is not something that must be followed. He also mentioned to only look for the high and low of 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. This is also not important because in the same video that he shared on the 19th of February, here you can see the 8 to 9:30 a.m. low was up here. And this trade had nothing to do with taking this low. So this is also not important. What time frames does this model work? The time frame depends on what you're trading. If you are trading Forex and gold, it will work best on the 5-minute and 15-minute time frames. If you want, you can also trade gold on 1 minute because of its high volatility, but I will not recommend trading Forex on 1 minute. In short, if you trade Forex or gold, you can trade this model during any of the 3 sessions that I have mentioned at the start. Also, the time frame should be 5 minutes or 15 minutes. That's it from this video. If you have any further questions, do ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This strategy has made +4R during this week. Click on this video to learn the strategy. Thanks for watching and happy trading.